Haste ni hukbar rokno rangthong ni bwkhak rakrinani bagwi te borokni ajimungno bangrinani bagwi haste haphang palm oil cultivation na important riwi tongo Indonesia, Malaysia, Nigeria, Thailand te Cambodia wo hayungni 90% ni shai kubang palm oil production khlai tongo Bharat hakotor kubni hakotoni simi 56% palm oil ni thok tubui tongo Chamungo use khlaimani thok rokno hakotor kubang ko khlai sananani bagwi palm oil no important riwi tongo Bharat haphang palm oil khlainani bagwi notice ni bisingo jotoni shai thai kaham ha angkha Tripura Chasalo palm oil processing factory stay research center ni foundation stone phiyogwi pantawo manchakai abohaina shaka hasteni hukbar tangbedekni montri Ratan Lal Nath o palm oil ni bisingti hasteni lukurokni tebo kaham angnai hini kha khlaike hukbar montri
money has gone to foreign country, so we should be self-reliant. Due to this, we are giving importance on palm oil cultivation, and palm oil within 4 years it is production will be start. But in case of rubber not bad, but in case of rubber that is minimum wait karna hoga 7 years tak. So and with the from the mission, national mission of oil, palm oil, we are giving many kinds of help from the for the farmers, and our soil is suitable and profitable. Our soil is for the palm oil. So we already expanded about 952 hectare area within 2 years, and in future this year also 1565 hectares we are this financial year will be extended to another. So today most important is this. Today we are establishing here palm oil research center. This is most important. In India, no here. Only one government research center is there in India. But privately, this is the first and only one, no other. And oil processing center, also, mill also will be established here. We given them about 15 acres hectares from our orchard, and 5 hectare for 5 hectare for processing center and 10 hectares for research center. Big area is required. If necessary, we will give more. So 30 years lease we are given as per terms and condition.
Ashali panda montri ni logiwo manjakha Malaysia ni phainai palm oil ni expert scientist Hare Krishna Kulabe Singam hukbar hamgre tangbedekni secretary Apurva Rai MLA Poldangsho monoblock ni vice chairman Pranay Debormano khobui kubni adongrok. Bureau report Kokharang.